The expression shown below was generated using a graphing calculator. Solve the expression and answer in correct scientific notation. 1.2E3 divided by 6E minus 3. Now, some things to know. On a calculator, you'll have a button that says EE. What that means is take whatever number you have and put it in scientific notation. So maybe you're going to try to write 7.67 times 10 to the 5th. You would type in 7.67, then you would press the EE button, then you would press 5. But what's important to note is when you press the EE button, it actually only writes E in the graphing calculator. So, that means that what we have here is we have 1.2 times, remember E means in scientific notation, times 10 to the third, and this slash represents a division problem or a fraction. Slash 6 times, again I see E, so that means 10 to the, well you might have thought this was subtraction. That actually means 10 to the negative third. So we have 1.2 times 10 to the third over 6 times 10 to the negative third. I'm going to erase this over here for more space to show my work. Now step 1, I'm going to do 1.2 divided by 6. When I solve that, I get an answer of 0.2. So that's step 1. Next step, I have 10 to the third over 10 to the negative third. If you remember, when we have this, we subtract the exponent in the denominator from the exponent in the numerator. So we have 10 to the 3 minus negative 3, which is the same as 10 to the 3 plus 3, or 10 to the 6. So we have an answer of 0.2 times 10 to the 6. But what's important to note is we can't have a 0 before our decimal because it has no value. We need at least, or actually we need exactly one digit with value before the decimal point. So I'm making my number larger by moving this decimal point here, which means the exponent has to go down to account for that. Now I have 2 times 10 to the 5th, making A my correct answer.